Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reverse engineer a YouTube. So basically, let us know first what is this. So reverse engineering a YouTube automation channel is the process of deconstructing a successful faceless channel to understand its strategy, production, workflow, and so on. So basically, we'll be using applications here like ChatGPT and let's just say CapCut, or you can also use Canva to create this wonderful faceless YouTube automation for your channel. And also, you need to have your YouTube channel in order for you to upload this video. So, to start, first let us know what niche or what kind of video we're going to create for this. So, basically, you need to have a step by step a way on how to generate or think of what video you want to create, the tools that you're going to create in order for you to achieve this reverse engineer YouTube automation. So, step one, you need to pick a winning channel. So, find a channel in your niche, for example, motivational quotes or motivation quotes, finance, money, health, healing, AI tools, facts, storytelling. So, what to look for: faceless videos, consistent uploads, high views, simple editing style. We will be focusing on motivation quotes for our faceless videos. So our YouTube channel is all about faceless videos and it's all about motivation and quotes. So step two, break down their videos. You need to know your video title style, your thumbnail, video length if it's 8 to 20 minutes. You need to think of a hook in first of 5 to 10 seconds. And then for AI voice, you can use 11 Labs or you can use CapCut actually. So to do that, or I will show you that steps later. For visuals, we can use pixels for our tutorial. Okay, there are tons of free videos in pixels, and all you have to do is to search for that. Rebuild one video, so rewrite the script. After you have your script, you can rewrite, change the title slightly, rebuild visuals. That is basically how to reverse. So first, we're going to create a script. We will be asking a help from ChatGPT. So basically, let's create a motivation quotes or script on the ChatGPT AI tool. So we will be asking ChatGPT here. So basically, you can ask ChatGPT to create, let's just say, a 10 motivation or motivational quotes for our video, for our faceless video channel or YouTube channel. Press enter or tap this arrow facing up, wait for a couple of seconds, and you will see the result right away. So when you have the result, you have to think if it's catchy. If you see this is the result, so you have to think, you have to analyze everything here. If you think that the script is good, then basically you can proceed with creating the video. But here it is, to apply the reverse engineer to YouTube automation. What you're going to do is you have to basically reverse the script formula. So most automation channels follow patterns like you have to have a hook. So don't scroll. This will change your life. Problem statement, main content, emotional build-up, ending message. You can copy this and then paste it to your script and then ask ChatGPT to follow the pattern for you. So ChatGPT will generate again the script and ChatGPT will follow this pattern right here. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's this hook, problem statement, main content, small actions, and so on. And all you have to do now is to copy this script and then paste it to your CapCut and then text to speech so that you will now create a video for that. So basically, we have our script right here. Now we will go to Pixels and then download some videos there. So go to pixels.com. Okay, click Pixels and then you have to change this to videos and then you have to search for people. Let's just say people, and Pixels will give you this. There are tons of people videos here and all you have to do is to download. You can filter this to horizontal, so we're going to download these videos. Once done, then basically you can now go to your CapCut and then import these videos. So basically, what you're going to do here, or what I'm going to show you, is how to create the video now to post to your YouTube. So since you have your correct or exact script, okay, what you're going to do now is to build or create the project. So import all the videos here. I'm going to import all the videos that I have downloaded in pixels. And then after that, I'm going to generate the VO. So no need to go to 11 Labs. Everything is here in CapCut. So add all the videos here and then tap on the text. Okay, now you have to basically go to your chat GPT and then copy the script and then paste it in CapCut. So first, we're going to copy this as our hook. Go back to your CapCut, tap on the text icon right here. Okay, paste the script. Now you have to look for text to speech and then look for that voice that you want to use for your video. So basically, I want to use this gentleman right here, then generate speech. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is generating speech. Listen to the voice. If you're okay with that, then you can now proceed. So just keep on doing this. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the script, go back to CapCut, paste, look for that character or the voice that you want, the style. You can also change the speed or you can edit everything here. And once you're okay with the script and the video, then of course it's time for you to export the video. And yes, that's it. So all you have to do is to just basically follow the pattern that you have asked or the steps to reverse engineer the YouTube automation of your channel. So basically, all you have to do is to export this. Once everything is okay, then you can look for the specific or catchy title for your YouTube or for your video, of course. So all you have to do is to wait for the export. So while exporting, you can open your YouTube account and then basically create a thumbnail, of course. So once you have your thumbnail, go to your YouTube channel, tap on create, upload the video here, add the catchy title, add the description. If you don't know how to create description, then you can ask ChatGPT for that. Also the tags, you can ask ChatGPT and then paste it here on your YouTube channel. So everything is here, everything is here on ChatGPT and CapCut. So for thumbnail, I strongly suggest to create thumbnail using Canva. But if you don't know, then there is this auto-generated thumbnail, and all you have to do is tap on the done option, upload this, and basically that's it. So that's how to reverse engineer a YouTube automation channel. So basically just follow the steps and patterns. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.